There you go.
Thank you for allowing me to be a rest stop on your road to heterosexual bliss.
You're welcome. Love killer. Can you believe that?
You're not a snowy owl.
And I'm not a love killer. What?
Well, actually, the bird lady's kind of right about that. Well, half right. You don't just kill love. You stalk it, you toy with it, then you kill it. You're the huntress, and love is your prey. I mean, look at him.
I am.
Like a wounded gazelle. Run, little gazelle, run! There's danger at the watering hole.
That's crazy. He's not a gazelle. He's more like a fuzzy bunny. I don't kill fuzzy bunnies.
Fuzzy love bunnies? You're in the toying stage. I can almost hear that clicking noise my cat makes.
It's not serious enough for there to be toying. We've only just found out our saliva's compatible. There's no love to kill yet.
What did you just say?
Saliva?
Yet. You said yet. 3 little letters and the most romantic thing I've ever heard fly out of your mouth. And also the most terrifying. It's the sound of a fuse being lit.
It is not.
Better not be. After everything that boy's been through, I don't think his heart can take that thing you do.
I don't do a thing. Oh my God!
What?
Nothing. He's safe with me. So safe. I'm reformed.
You better be.
I am, honest. I'm not a love killer.
Hey. Save the lovebirds.
I'm a love saver. Evidently. And I'll prove it.
This is so romantic coming back to the zoo. Picking up our date where we left off.
Yeah.
Oh, but you, don't maybe want to come back when it's open? I'm pretty sure sneaking in's against the law.
We answer to a higher law.
We do?
Love. Love is our higher law, and we're here to save it. Not that it was ever in any danger from me.
This way.
So, this isn't really a private showing, is it?
No. Not so much a private show as a federal offense. We're here to steal an endangered species and then force them to have sex.
Not stealing. Liberating. Hello, Humphrey. Hello, Lauren. I missed you. Yes, it's the snowy owl girl. I know she did.
This all must seem a little odd, but as a person who champions love at every turn, I'm here to say that it really isn't all
I
that.
don't think it's odd.
You don't?
It's the most romantic thing I've ever heard of.
Really? My love-saving nature doesn't bother you?
Define bother.
Well, just so you know, this isn't an isolated incident. Things like bird attacks and abduction happen to me all the time. And if it's not birds, it's a lion or a monkey, and then there's that fish. What I'm trying to say is that there is constant interruption. I don't scare you.
Only in a good way.
It's the feds.
Who is that? What are you doing?
What are we telling people?
Put your arms down. It's the guy who picks up garbage.
Hey, it's you. What are you doing here?
They're with me.
Penelope? I thought you were fired.
Yeah, I was. Are you human resources?
No, I used to clean your paddock. My name is Rufus.
No time. We need your help. These birds need me. They need me to mate. The bond is very delicate.
Of course it is. They're in the infancy of their relationship.
that the feds?
Oh, that's security.
Okay, I have an idea. Follow me.
Use the tiki path. It's the quickest way to the parking lot, okay? Careful. I'll just make a distraction for them.
Thanks.
Okay, good. Good.
Where are we gonna go?
Where are we gonna go?
I have 3 cats.
I sleep in dry storage.
My trailer's messy. Oh, I know. Let us in. Mom and Dad are gone for the weekend, right?
Yeah.
Good. We need a place to mate. Good. Good. This works well.
What the hell's going on?
Nothing. Go back to bed or find some pants.
Who's made it?
The birds.
Did the cow creamer tell you to do this?
No, the stuffed donkey did.
If we turn the dryer on, let it vent into the room, maybe it'll help simulate their native environment.
Or kill everyone in the building.
Help me make room?
So, what do you think will happen to Rufus?
I don't know any birds called Rufus.
He's not a bird. He's the guy who helped us escape.
Not an endangered species, so I can't worry about that right now.
Do I even want to know why I spent the past half hour gathering worms and tree branches for you?
Jay's spearheading an effort to save an endangered species. Isn't she something?
My birds don't eat worms.
Oops. My bad.
Help me get this thing on.
I'm not cleaning up your mess.
I'll take care of the worms.
Not that mess. He only liked you before, now he's worshiping you. Better be careful.
Somebody stop me! I can't help myself!
Why would anyone worship my sister? Is she a cult figure?
You're not wearing pants.
I was about to get some.
Well, you're certainly undressed for it.
They're not doing anything.
They will. Be patient. We've created the perfect mating environment for them.
You don't suppose they're waiting for the 5 giants to stop leering at them, do you?
She's toying with him. Look at her. What a tease.
Seems like she's ignoring him.
It's a ploy. She's making him want her more. That way he won't see it coming when she bites his head off.
Birds don't do that. Although in some species of praying mantis, the female eats the male head first during mating.
God. Love can be cruel.
And beautiful.
But cruel. I mean, I'm not saying it's her fault. She can't help what she is. But look at that beak. It was made for pecking.
That's the male.
Whatever. Point is, the only thing endangered here is Humphrey's heart. God, why doesn't he just run? Run, Humphrey. Run.
She's smelling me.
Hey, stop it. Don't sniff him.
I know what it is. I know why they're not mating. It's all the male pheromones. See, Humphrey won't mount Lauren if he senses the pheromones of another male. He views it as a threat. You're gonna have to leave. Both of you.
Yes, right. Good call. Boys out. You're putting your pheromones all over everything.
Stop. Get off. I'm not going anywhere. Mom and Dad put me in charge.
Oh, man, get out. I'm really sorry. We'll do it again some other time.
Oh, I don't mind waiting.
You could be waiting a long time. These birds, they only mate like once every 5 years. And we don't really know when it was they last got any. So anyhow, we'll have to finish our date later. They're mating! What?
Lauren's cloaca is fully engorged.
You're totally doing it!
Jay, now we can finish our date.
I thought they needed more time. You can't be doing it now. I'm not ready to face him. You need to cool off. No!
Why are you still here?
I want to see an engorged cloaca.
I told you, your powerful sexual chemistry is too distracting.
I get that a lot, actually.
Oh my God, what happened? Who left the window open?
Humphrey's never been in the wild, and Lauren's been in captivity for most of her adult life. They'll die out there.
We'll find them. Eventually.
What are you doing?
Trying to save the lovebirds.
Why'd you open the window?
What? I can't believe it. I didn't. You... That obvious, huh?
What's obvious is that you're using these birds to avoid Eric. Why?
Because I'm a snowy owl love killer. I'm a man-eater. I just